Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You first need to assess the store-bought slime and gather targeted fixes. If it is sticky or too wet, you will add activator. If crumbly or stiff, you will soften it with water or conditioner. Start with measured amounts, 1 teaspoon at a time. Once done, knead gently to distribute ingredients. This tells you how much more correction is needed. Make sure to wear gloves if you prefer, and keep a small damp cloth nearby for cleanup. Now you will perform the precise adjustments that change slime behavior and why they work. Saline or contact solution contains borate that cross-links glue molecules. Add in small increments, needing to judge progress. Baking soda raises pH and helps the activator bond, so tiny amounts prevent overcooking the slime. Conversely, warm water or a dab of conditioner relaxes polymer chains, making stiffs. Finish by thoroughly kneading the slime for several minutes so the texture evens out. This aligns polymers and removes bubbles. Once done, store it in an airtight container at room temperature to preserve feel. Refrigeration can dry it. If things go wrong, try this key tip. Add activator in very small doses and knead fully before more. Over-adding is the most common error. If it becomes too firm later, massage in a drop or two of water or lotion and rework slowly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.